back to 20 car. In the vast tapestry of automotive evolution, few vehicles transcend mere utility to become icons of purpose-driven design. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Unofficial Concept emerges not merely as a conveyance, but as a testament to human ingenuity, a rolling monument to the marriage of brawn and brains. Like Nietzsche's will to power made manifest, this conceptual van embodies the industry's relentless pursuit of perfection, pushing boundaries of what commercial vehicles can become in our technological landscape. A modern chariot of the gods, it promises to revolutionize how we perceive utility vehicles, elevating them from workhorses to sophisticated mobile command centers. Exterior Design Review. The Savana 3500 concept embraces professional-grade futurism with a sculpted hood flowing into an assertive grille dominated by thin, C-shaped LED lighting strips that extend into the fenders. Its revolutionary dynamic utility body features modular carbon fiber reinforced polymer panels that can be reconfigured for different commercial needs. The aerodynamic roofline slopes gently toward the rear without sacrificing cargo space, while split rear doors enable multiple opening configurations. Ground clearance increases by 1.5 inches, and 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires signal capability both on and off pavement. Clean side profiles with integrated handles and a subtle character line create a sense of motion even at rest. Beyond traditional colors, GMC offers digital camo wraps customizable with company branding. Interior Design Review. Step inside to discover a cabin blurring the line between commercial vehicle and premium mobile office. Built around the command hub philosophy, the driver's area features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and massive 15-inch central touchscreen running GMC's ProConnect OS. The flat-bottom steering wheel integrates touch controls with haptic feedback. Front seats feature a dynamic posture system automatically adjusting support and temperature based on driving duration. Passenger models offer configurable seating arrangements, including face-to-face meetings or removal for maximum cargo. The innovative smart workspace includes a fold-down table from the passenger seat back, wireless charging, and multiple power outlets. Adjustable ambient ceiling lighting changes color temperature throughout the day, while the Pro Organizer system provides modular storage solutions accessible from cabin or exterior panels. Technical Specifications Review. Powertrain options include a base 6.6 liters V8 gasoline engine, 401 horsepower, 464 pounds-to-foot, and an available 6.6 liters Duramax turbo diesel, 470 horsepower, 975 pounds-to-foot, both paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission. The revolutionary plug-in hybrid combines a 3.0 liters turbo inline-6 with electric motors, 435 horsepower combined, 680 pounds-to-foot, and a 35 kilowatt-hours battery offering 50 miles of electric range. The fully boxed frame features increased high-strength steel content, while suspension options include an available air ride system with load leveling capability. Braking comes from 4-wheel discs with Brembo front calipers. Advanced driver assistance includes Super Cruise hands-free driving, enhanced automatic emergency braking, and a Park Master autonomous parking system. Fuel consumption and acceleration. The gasoline V8 achieves 14 miles per gallon city, 18 miles per gallon highway, while the Duramax diesel delivers 16 miles per gallon city, 22 miles per gallon highway. The FEV variant offers 70 mph combined. Acceleration varies: gasoline, 0 to 100 km height in 8.2 seconds, diesel, 7.8 seconds, and FEV, quickest at 6.9 seconds. When fully loaded, times increase to 12.5, 11.2, and 10.1 seconds respectively. Drive modes: normal, tow haul, sport, off-road. Optimize performance for specific conditions. Buyer age range analysis. Primary buyers, 35 to 54, are established business owners valuing capability and professional image. Younger entrepreneurs, 25 to 34, are drawn to the FEV variant and advanced tech. The 55-plus demographic appreciates reliability and comfort features. Interestingly, the 18 to 24 group engages through rentals and tour operators, building future brand loyalty. Comparison with competitors. Against the Ford Transit 350, the Savana offers superior towing, 23,500 pounds versus 19,500 pounds, and a more robust frame. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter provides a more comfortable ride but can't match the GMC's power or infotainment sophistication. The Ram ProMaster's front-wheel drive layout offers easier loading but less towing capability. While electric competitors like the Ford E-Transit promise lower operating costs, the Savana's FEV variant provides greater flexibility with its extended range. Car price evaluation. The base gasoline model starts at $48,900, with the Duramax diesel adding $9,500, $58,400. The FEV commands $65,200. Key packages include professional grade, $4,800, off-road capability, $3,500, and maximum towing, $2,200. Fully loaded models approach $78,000. Financing includes traditional loans, 3.9% for qualified buyers, and specialized commercial programs. Warranty coverage is 5 years 100,000 miles for gasoline diesel models, with 8 years 100,000 miles for hybrid components. Driving experience. From behind the wheel, the driving position offers excellent visibility and command. The cabin is surprisingly quiet, with refined powertrain delivery. The FEV excels in urban environments with silent electric operation. Handling exceeds expectations for a large van, with the optional air suspension enhancing comfort. Advanced driver assistance systems transform long-distance driving, with Super Cruise enabling hands-free highway operation. Off-road capability is surprisingly competent for a vehicle primarily designed for commercial applications. Pros and cons analysis. Pros: exceptional capability, 23,500 pounds towing. Advanced powertrain options, cutting-edge technology including Super Cruise, modular design flexibility, premium interior quality, strong residual value projections. Cons: premium pricing, substantial size challenging in urban environments, complex technology learning curve, limited electric range in FEV model, potential service network limitations in rural areas, fuel economy decreases significantly under load. Car purchase value assessment. For businesses requiring maximum capability, the Savana represents exceptional value. Multiple powertrains allow optimization for specific use cases: gasoline for moderate use, diesel for high mileage heavy towing, FEV for urban operations. Projected 55% residual value after 3 years outperforms competitors. The modular design extends useful life as business needs evolve, potentially reducing fleet size. Advanced technology features can improve productivity and safety, directly impacting the bottom line. After-sales service and maintenance. Over 1,200 certified dealers offer dedicated commercial service with extended hours. The vehicle's predictive maintenance system prevents minor issues from becoming major problems. Mobile service technicians perform routine maintenance at business locations. Warranty coverage exceeds industry standards. Routine maintenance costs average 12 cents mile, gasoline, 14 cents mile, diesel, and 10 cents mile, PHEV. Major services occur at 60,000, 120,000, and 180,000 miles. Fleet maintenance programs reduce costs by 10 to 15%. Insurance cost analysis. Annual premiums range from $2,800 to $4,200 depending on model and usage. Gasoline models average $2,900, diesel $3,400, and FEV $3,100. Advanced safety features qualify for 12 to 15% discounts. Business type and location significantly impact costs. Urban construction companies pay 30 to 40% more than rural delivery services. Fleet policies for 5+ vehicles reduce costs by 15 to 20%. Telematics programs offer additional discounts up to 25% for safe driving. Conclusion. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Unofficial Concept represents a bold reimagining of commercial transportation, successfully blending heavy-duty capability with sophisticated technology. Its modular design, advanced powertrains, including the innovative FEV, and comprehensive safety features address evolving business needs. While premium pricing may give pause to budget-conscious buyers, the strong projected residual values, competitive maintenance costs, and potential for improved operational efficiency present a compelling value proposition. This concept doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them, offering a glimpse into a future where commercial vehicles are strategic assets driving business success through mobility innovation. The 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Unofficial Concept represents a bold reimagining of the traditional commercial van, successfully blending heavy-duty capability with sophisticated technology and unexpected refinement. As we've explored throughout this comprehensive review, GMC has created a vehicle that transcends its utilitarian roots to become a true game-changer in the commercial vehicle segment. From its striking exterior design that balances aerodynamic efficiency with professional presence, to its innovative interior that transforms the cabin into a mobile command center, the Savana 3500 concept demonstrates GMC's commitment to pushing boundaries. The trio of powertrain options, including a refined gasoline V8, A formidable Duramax diesel, and a forward-thinking plug-in hybrid, ensures that there's a configuration to suit virtually every commercial application. What truly sets this concept apart is how it addresses the evolving needs of modern businesses. The modular design allows unprecedented flexibility, enabling companies to adapt the vehicle to changing requirements without expensive aftermarket modifications. The advanced technology suite, including hands-free Super Cruise capability and comprehensive connectivity features, enhances productivity and safety while reducing driver fatigue, a critical consideration for commercial operations. The concept's value proposition extends beyond its impressive capabilities and features. With strong projected residual values, competitive maintenance costs, and comprehensive warranty coverage, the Savana 3500 concept presents a compelling total cost of ownership equation that should resonate with value-conscious business buyers. The expanded and enhanced dealer network, combined with innovative service programs like mobile maintenance, addresses the critical after-sales support needs of commercial customers. While the concept's premium pricing may give pause to budget-conscious buyers, the additional investment appears justified when considering the vehicle's advanced capabilities, potential for improved operational efficiency, and stronger long-term value retention. For businesses that can leverage its full range of features, particularly the plug-in hybrid variant for urban operations, the return on investment becomes even more compelling. As the automotive industry continues its rapid evolution toward electrification, connectivity, and autonomous capabilities, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Unofficial Concept stands as a testament to GMC's vision for the future of commercial transportation. It successfully bridges the gap between today's practical needs and tomorrow's technological possibilities, offering a glimpse of a future where commercial vehicles are not merely tools for business, but strategic assets that drive efficiency, project professionalism, and enhance the capabilities of the businesses that operate them. For commercial buyers seeking a vehicle that combines uncompromising capability with cutting-edge technology, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 Unofficial Concept represents not just an evolution of the commercial van, but a revolution in how businesses can leverage mobility to achieve their goals. It's a vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them.